Today we're going to be installing some recessed LED lighting kits. First we got to mark our holes. I just used a little screw through the middle of the template. I measured and found my center point. I used a screw to kind of push into the sheetrock just to hold the paper in place. Trace it with a pencil, and there's my hole. Use a hole saw to cut that out, and then I've got to get ready to install. Now this little tab here, I realized after I did the first one that it actually pushes into the box. I should not have been pulling this out of the box. It was not a good idea. It comes out a lot easier if you push it into the box. Take your Romex connector. You're going to want that just to make sure that your box doesn't cut your wire. And make sure your screws are like this so that you can use a screwdriver to tighten them up later. If you're connecting to another light, you can use that secondary hole to wire that up. You want to strip about that much off of your wire, both of the coated wires. Run them through your Romex, tighten that up nice and tight, and then we're going to connect our cabling here. I have two wires coming in because I'm running in series from this junction to the next light. I'm going to use the included connectors that came with these kits. They were very simple to use. You just push all three of these wires, each one into its own little hole in the connector. These little plastic connectors here. I really liked them. I'd never used them before, but they actually worked really well and they felt very secure. This is what it looks like after I mounted it to my beam up here. I'm just gonna push the wires down into it, make sure they're nested real well in there, and then you just close the lid of the junction box. It snaps shut. That's it up in the ceiling. Last step is just push this connector in and twist it. I guess second to last step. Last step is to put the fixture itself. And look how thin that fixture is. It actually fits within the sheetrock. So even if you have a beam directly above where you're mounting this thing, it'll still go into place. Make sure your wires don't get pinched between the fixture and the sheetrock, and snap it up into place. That's it. This is my kitchen after doing all 6 of them. Still got some patching to do, but it looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe if you found this helpful. I'm going to do a review of these lights. After I bought them from Amazon, I thought people might be interested in what I thought about the quality of them, so I'll do a review of that, and I'll link to that in the description. But thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day.